Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 16.1 question number 10. Find the values of the letters in each of the following and give reasons for the steps involved. Let us write. The addition of A and B, the addition of A and B, the addition of A and B, the addition of A and B is giving 9, is giving 9. That is a number, that is a number whose ones digit is 9. First digit is 9. The sum the sum can be 9. The sum can be 9 only as the sum of two single digit numbers cannot be 19. Therefore there will be therefore there will not there will not be a carry in the next step 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 the next step 2 plus a is equal to 0. 2 plus a is equal to 0. It is possible only when 2 plus a equal to 0. It is possible only when it is possible only when a is equal to 2, a is equal to 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. Now 2 plus 8. Therefore 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. And 1 will be a carry in the next step Therefore 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 6 is equal to a Clearly a is 8. Therefore the value of a is equal to 8. Value of a is equal to 8. We know that. We know. We know that. We know that the addition of a and b is giving 9. The addition. The addition of a and b is 9. Therefore, a plus b is equal to 9. Since the value of a is 8, 8 plus b is equal to 9. Therefore, the value of b is equal to 9 minus 8. The value of b is 1. The value of b is equal to 1. Thus, we are getting the numbers 1, 2. The value of a is 8, 1, 2, 8 plus 6. The value of a is 8 and value of b is 1. We add this one, then we are getting 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 plus 2 10, carry 1 is 0. 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 is 8. There is 809. We got the answer. Hence the values of a and b are 8 and 1 respectively, are 8 and 1 respectively. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.